Hi there, my name is Mark and welcome to the Man Cave. Well, you guys, we got a very busy day today. First of all, we're gonna fix the BMW because some jerk, some asshole crashed into the BMW or vandalized the BMW. I don't know what happened, but I found the car with this laying on the ground. This is the real rear brake light and the bumper was pushed in a little bit. I thought the rear trunk was crooked, but that's not, and the bumper just clicked into place, so that's solved for now because we're gonna have to replace the bumper one day, but now we still need to fix this one, and I got a brand new one over there in the boxes. You already seen that, and you know what, now that I have to fix it, I'm gonna have to make it illegal. Like I said, this one broke. It is the rear tail light of the braking system. And I got myself a new one, a nice and shiny, but all red. Now I have an ambition to black out the BMW because she is definitely not perfect and not the most beautiful. Yeah, it is a nice car, but I think it would look sick if all the details on the car are blacked out. I already blacked out the side markers, and I really know that this is probably an illegal mod. What we're gonna do it, and we got some smoky foil, tail light foil, so it should be a little bit legal, and if it's not, then we'll see what happens. We can have another ticket, right? The surface, got a nice little table over here. Does it work? No, it doesn't work. Of course not. La, 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 la. I want this to be a quick job because without a tail light, this car sure is not safe. Because imagine braking and nobody sees you braking. I have that with the Ferrari. The tail lights are blacked out. I didn't do that, but it's kinda, yeah, a little problem. Because the complaint I had is that they didn't see me braking with the Ferrari. Now, I think when you drive a Ferrari, you have to make sure that you have enough distance, but it doesn't work for everybody. Now, they said that you can just put this on, but I have no idea how this works. So it's on, and we're gonna just peel away the protection layer. And well, okay. I don't know yet if I really like it. There are still little bubbles. It is a little bit dirty, but wow. So what do you think? Can you see the difference? Let's just do. Okay. Okay guys, I should have checked. They are not the same. This one can fit right in and this one has a little, can you see it? Thingy that's in the way. But we're gonna adjust that using some woodworking tools.
hours later.
Well, we got the first part fixed. That's a good thing. Gonna back her up a little bit. Do some cleaning because I rinsed her but didn't do a proper clean. Rinsed her, clean her, then park her. Get this thing fired up. Haha!
2 hours later. Two hours later. 2 hours later.
So we finally got her stationary. She's warming up. That's irritating. It takes so much time before she can idle for herself, and she's still a little shaky, so we need to change that, definitely. Well, the girl is outside and look at the big oil field in the garage. Soon I can make some money. Oh my god. But she's outside. I warmed her up a little bit. Now I'm gonna have some food, wait until my friend Fred arrives with the 430 Spider, and then we're gonna have a nice photo shoot. I'm so sorry guys. What happened was the following. We just had so much fun talking and talking and talking and talking. We haven't seen each other for about 5 or 6 months. And that's it. Because we were talking and talking and talking, and now time is up. So we put the 308 back in, and I'm gonna drive around the block tomorrow because I have to go now. And they just left. But it sounds so good, and that 430 sounds so good. That's such a good machine. Oh man, man, man. But I'm sorry guys, I had big plans, but sometimes they just don't work out. It's all good. It's all good. I'm going to get ready because I have to go. And I think that tomorrow I'm gonna finish the job on the BMW. Yes, I think we need to do that. Never the cook. Smells good here. Yeah. Okay guys, this is so annoying. I cleaned the BMW and I used a pressure washer, and this is what happened. Yes, I removed all the glossy paint. This is bad. Really, really bad. Bad quality, of course, but we need to fix that. But how? And I really don't want to send it to the painter because I really want a new bumper, but I can't afford it right now. Are we gonna do it ourselves? I don't think so. Damn.